Buffalo Wild Wings. You know it, and I love it, so let's order from it. And if you stay tuned to the end, I'll show you how to earn reward points on the app. Now this is the home screen, and something I always recommend is joining the rewards program. Hold on, am I reading this right? Sign up for Blazing Rewards to score free wings and discounts and more saucy deals? Man, if it's free, it's for me. So tap on sign up to create an account. Then follow the steps provided to create an account. Once you've gotten your 6-digit code, then you'll need to make sure to verify your account that you've created. Okay, so on the home screen, you initially have 5 different icons that will help you navigate through the app. When you scroll further, you'll see a couple of different top picks that the app has to offer. And if you already know you would like a delivery, you can start there. Let's head on over to the menu so we can start our order. So you got your wings and tenders, value bundles and appetizers, and of course, your sides and extras. If you're new, you'll learn that yes, I am that person that orders chicken tenders and fries. So they're $9.99. Now you can select the number of tenders that you want and the amount of sauce that goes with it. And if you want to add anything extra here, you can do it here. And I've actually never had these cheddar cheese curds, so let's go with that. Okay, if everything looks good, hit add to bag. This is what it should look like with everything on it. Go ahead and click your bag and review your order. So we got 5 chicken tenders and cheese curds. This gives us a total of $16.48. And that's how you place an order on the Buffalo Wild Wings app. But I did say that if you made it to the end of the video, I'd also show you how to use reward points on the app. Because you did just create an account, you're at 0 points. But don't worry, this is all about to change. Now you can earn reward points by ordering online, scanning receipts, and customizing your profile. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching, and happy savings.